Hello learners, we are going to learn about channels for distributing different goods and services. In this video, you are going to learn what channels of distribution are. A distribution channel is a chain of intermediaries that facilitates product delivery from the producer to the end consumer and transfers payment from the buyer to the producer. In other words, it is the route through which a product travels from the production end to the point of consumption or the end consumer. Distribution channels can be short or long depending on the number of intermediaries required to deliver product or service. Using a reliable distribution path assures the manufacturers that their products and services will reach consumers easily. Distribution channels often include wholesalers, distributors, retailers, and online stores. Distribution channels are broken into two different forms, direct and indirect. A direct channel allows manufacturers or producers to directly deal with consumers without having any intermediaries involved. Manufacturers of expensive goods such as jewelry and items that are perishable such as bakers, meat and milk typically used the direct form of distribution. On the other hand, in indirect channels, products traveled from producers through different intermediaries like wholesalers, retailers, and distributors until reaching the consumers. Indirect channels are typical for goods that are sold in traditional brick and mortar stores. How to choose the right distribution channel? All distribution channels cannot work for all products, so it's important for companies to choose the right one. The choice of a distribution channel should align with the company's overall mission and strategic vision, including its sales goals. Companies should consider how quickly it wants their product to reach the buyer. Certain products are best served by a direct distribution channel such as meat or produce, while others may benefit from an indirect channel. If a company chooses multiple distribution channels, such as selling a product online and through a retailer, both channels should not conflict with one another. Companies should strategize so one channel doesn't overpower the other. Let's discuss types of distribution channels with example. There are three main types of distribution channels. Each type includes some sort of combination of manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer, and end consumer. The first type includes all four channels and is the longest but good example, as manufacturers usually sell their products to a wholesaler who in turn sells to a retail store. The second type eliminates the wholesalers and goes straight to the retailer. Car dealerships are a good example of this type of channel. Dealership will typically buy new cars straight from the manufacturer and then sell them directly to the paying customer. The third and the final type goes straight from the manufacturer to the paying customer.